Guys, if you are interested in purchasing the picture package on MSC Cruise Lines and you want to know how to get the most value, check this video out. We've got some tips on how we get it done. Watch the video to the end and we'll give you even more tips. If you don't want, if you're not interested in getting the picture package,
just watch the video instead. Just watch it.
Let's do it.
You got me, believe in the magic.
So on 16 today, they have a photo shoot that you can do that is very cool. It's on the bridge, and let me show you what this looks like. There's basically a sunset on the bridge, and there's a photographer up here, and you'll be down there, and you can get a very dope picture. I mean, an amazing picture from what we've seen. So we're interested in that, and if you want to see what that picture looks like, A Rich and Jazzy Life on Facebook and Instagram. We're excited to see what this looks like. We even got all matching outfits just for it. Right, Royce? Yes.
Not that I don't listen, it's just the way you're coming so close to me. It's just not that I don't feel the tension, it's just the way I want you to come closer. But they don't even know your name. It's just not that I don't listen, it's just the way you're coming so close to me. It's just not that I don't feel the tension, it's just the way I want you to come closer.
Our pictures. You look like you were scared to cross that bridge.
Right. Were you afraid?
No, I wasn't afraid.
So you looked like you were scared. When you took your picture, you looked.
No, she smiled for the picture though. I'm sure her picture will come out
very
nice.
The last picture she took, he said, turn around, she was like, I was like, oh damn, she's afraid of heights.
I wasn't afraid of heights. You
No.
never afraid?
It's called the Bridge of Sights.
Right, and guys, there's an elevator, which we're gonna show you in 1 minute. That goes up and down, and there's an infinity pool on the back. So dope.
Yeah.
Very, just
Let's go.
cruise ship goals. It's really beautiful.
Let's go get some B-roll on that elevator.
Yeah, we'll do.
And then we'll come back up and let them get ice cream from the buffet.
Right. Alright guys, so if you come
I want
here,
you both to walk on.
this elevator is
Let me make a reel of it.
it's the coolest
Where's
elevator.
my phone? And walk on the elevator. Go. Keep walking. Keep walking. Keep walking. Keep.
You get their mask on.
Turn around. Walk up.
Keep looking out.
Just look out. That's all you gotta do. Look at the water, Royce.
Look at that, guys. If that is not cruise goals. Wow.
Okay, so we are at the infinity pool in the back of the ship. We didn't get in the water yet. Hopefully tomorrow is a more sunnier day and a little bit warmer. It's only like 78 degrees-ish. So maybe tomorrow we'll get in the water. But it's really beautiful.
And this is the bridge where we took
And the bridge
thing.
is right above.
Angle the camera up.
Lift the camera up. Yeah.
I can't see nothing.
Yeah, so you get those pictures all the way up there. It's very cool, very nice looking.
And then we'll do a walk away, like walk down the stairs. Hold my hand, Rain,
Come on, walk.
and 3, 2, 1, walk.
Which one is the cold and the cup?
In the buffet, you can get all your sweet,
Which flavor? Vanilla, chocolate,
all your sweets. If you want cookies, ice cream, you want a cup, you want a cone. What you guys getting?
you want chocolate too?
You want chocolate on top?
Yes? Yes.
Ooh.
Thank you.
Ooh.
Royce, how about you?
Rain. Same thing?
No. Let's come here.
What would you like, Royce?
Look at that one. I like this one. You will
All right, and it's showtime, 7:30. And the show is called That's Amore. We're excited.
I want to be like all the way down. That's back close to the front.
Raimi trying to be like front row.
He's a many slender man. He's the April rose that only grows in the early spring. Sound like you've had too much wine, that's amore. Bells will ring, ting-a-ling-a-ling, ting-a-ling-a-ling, and you'll sing Vita Bella. Hearts will play, tippy-tippy-tay, tippy-tippy-tay, like a gay tarantella. When the stars make you drool, just like pastel fasul, that's amore. When you dance down the street with the clouds at your feet, you're in love. When you walk down a dream, but you know you're not dreaming, signore. Squeeze on me, but you see that you know I believe that's amore. Sing it out with me, come on. When the moon hits your eyes like a big bit of fire, that's amore. When the world seems to shine like you've had so much wine, that's amore. Fino a quando, quando, quando d'improvviso ti sorridente accanto a me. Every moment today, every day seems the right time. Let me show you the way to a joy we can't compare. Kissing some tongue, yeah. Spend my ticket, pretending man. Kissing some tongue, yeah. Telling me.
So the show is over, and what are we thinking? That's amore.
I thought it was excellent. It was excellent show.
It was great.
Wonderful. Wonderful
Very
dancing.
limited English.
Yeah.
Does
But
not matter.
Doesn't matter. The singing was beautiful. Wonderful singers.
Yes.
Wonderful dancers. Very entertaining. 35 minutes. Well spent.
They could
It was very
sing,
good.
right?
What did you think?
It was very good. I enjoyed it.
Yeah.
Yes. I mean, the talent was amazing. The way they sang, I gotta give them the credit. They could sing.
Yeah, absolutely. I
It
really
was
enjoyed
killing
that.
it, killing it, killing it.
Yes, I would recommend you come see
It was,
the show.
like I said, it was not in English at all,
You
guys.
know, I enjoyed each show that we came to.
Every
This is
show
our
so
third-
far,
our third
MSC,
show. Yeah.
doing their thing.
We've been enjoying it. Yeah, definitely. Very
MSC, I gotta
entertaining.
give y'all credit.
Yep,
They
absolutely.
better than some other cruise lines. Entertainment is on point.
Yeah, at the same on point. Dancers
No
on
cruise
point.
lines to be mentioned, but the
Singer.
entertainment is good.
Singers is good. I'm enjoying it.
Yes.
Very nice. I like to hear classical music sometimes, something different. It was very nice.
Yes, definitely.
Okay, girls.
Girls.
Come on.
Hold on, one
Because
more.
what are you doing?
The funny rabbit.
Oh!
The funny.
Very pretty.
Thank you guys so much.
Thank you.
Girls, red voice.
Go take with grandma.
Give me a match.
You keep your purse. Keep your purse on.
Keep your bag.
Staying alive. All right, so that pretty much wraps up our sea day. We did a lot of picture taking, as you can see, because we purchased the picture package. The best thing to do when you purchase a picture package is to take as many pictures as you possibly can. Whenever you see a photographer, jump in there and get your picture taken.
Even if you got the same outfit on, like
Right.
we did today.
Right, we really didn't change our clothes. We really wasn't in the mood to change our clothes, and we packed so many outfits, but we just didn't feel like changing our clothes. But we got so many beautiful pictures that you guys can see just from today in these outfits.
And that's like a glimpse of what we actually have.
Yeah.
We're already home, so I can tell you we've got almost 200 pictures
Yeah.
that they took.
Yeah,
So
yeah, we definitely took. I think it was a little bit more than 200 pictures. We took a lot of pictures, and we did purchase at the end. I'm not sure if we vlogged it or not. I guess you'll see as the vlogs go on, if we actually showed it. But we did purchase a lot of pictures for 99 cents at the end
like
of the cruise.
80 something.
Yeah.
Because it was just $1.
Yeah, it was just $1, and you can't get prints for $1.
Nowhere.
And they're all the 8x10 prints. 8x10s, and then even like I think I bought like 2 11x14s. Now you don't go and you tell them what kind. You only get, that's the only thing. Like you can't tell them, oh, I want this in 11x14. You have to purchase what is already printed out and put on the wall.
Right.
But they have so many, especially if you took as much as we took. So it was nice. All the photographers were great. What I loved about it, and you don't see it necessarily in this vlog, but the photographers, if you find somewhere on the ship that you don't see them standing, you could tell them, hey, I really want to take a picture where the rainbow lights are. It looks like it's like a disco.
So basically what they have is a floating photographer.
A floating photographer, which is very different from any other cruise line that I have been on.
You've never seen that before, right?
I've never seen that, but I can also say I've never asked.
That's true.
I've never asked, and that almost makes me want to ask on other ships if I find someplace that a photographer is not at. Like, hey, do you guys move around? Like, do you take pictures of other places, or do you have to stand with the background? So that's a good question. So if you go on a cruise, next cruise, and you go and ask a photographer, do they move around with you?
Yeah, we know on MSC, on the Seashore, there was 2 floating photographers. They said anywhere you want to go, you just tell us. They literally take their lights, they take their cameras, everything, and they're like, I'll meet you there.
Yeah, very nice. Great jobs that they were doing. So shout out to the photographers on MSC.
They did their thing,
Seashore.
yeah.
They definitely did their thing. And I really think that the picture package is definitely worth the coins. We paid $160 on board. We bought it the first night. Well worth it.
For all the digital images, whereas you have other cruise lines that $100 may get you 4 or 5 prints. You may not get the digital image. Remember, guys, you want digital images because you can print it out. As big, as small as you want. You can print 50 million of them. You can do whatever you want. When you only have that printed out picture that you pay all that money for, if you scan it, it never comes out looking the same. If you take a picture of a picture, it never looks the same.
Yeah.
Digital images on cruise ships, if you can get it, it's really worth it. And MSC, they give you all the digital images. $160.
Yeah, definitely.
It's a good deal.
So, yeah, I hope that you guys really enjoyed this vlog. We enjoyed taking our pictures. We enjoyed the show. The show was amazing. Like I said, I enjoy something different, and they definitely brought in something different than your typical cruise line. So I definitely enjoyed that production that we saw this evening. And yeah, we have more MSC vlogs coming your way very shortly. So guys, if you enjoyed this vlog, please don't forget to give this a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to share this with who?
Friends and family.
And until the next vlog, guys. Oh yeah, don't forget to drop a comment.
Don't forget to drop that comment.
Yeah,
guys.
don't forget to drop a comment. It means so much to us. And we definitely try our best to reply to all comments. And until the next vlog, guys, continue to live
A rich
and jazzy life.
Bye, guys.